After a quick red-eye flight, we didn't waste time. Dropped off our bags and hit the trails. With dust kicking behind the ATVs, the mountains pull us in. The deeper we went, the more the island started showing itself, layer by layer. Every corner felt like it unlocked a new part of the story. Green, gold, and everything in between. The water was electric. We floated above coral gardens. Groups of reef sharks moved like the wind, just cruising around unbothered. Behind us, trees towered over the lush landscape. Mountains rose like monuments. The ocean was full of life, glowing in every shade of blue. As the sun started to dip, the whole ocean shifted. The blues turned gold. We sat in silence as the boat drifted, just taking it all in. There's a rhythm to life here that moves slower. It's a culture that values connection to each other, to the land, and to the sea. The locals shared with us what felt like inherited knowledge, a leaf for fever, a flower for burns, holding each plant like an experience passed down. They figured out something we haven't, that presence is more valuable than pace.